etie for ababaawa fefe bi so no ne ho ye fe won say yes just ne ho twa ahonfe di ankasa na arehosem esi arehosem esi wo ye obi a ye beka se wo ye omo enam social media wo den nsem eto ho na ansa na ye beto aso na subscribe na click notification bell ne so wo ye na sa latest news bi aba won sa ebeka ne na da screen so sisi ano ye na sa pepepe man na ye nka se wo ye obi a wo den nsem eto social media beka se wo ye obi a wo type posting the pictures na wo posting the pictures abu hu say yes ni mpokua gina so wo ye obi ankrofo anim no nkrofo e follow ne pa enye easy the dia nkasa eye na dromo ej na dromo ej wo ye American based Ghanaian na etiefo we film ya na wo hwe ababaawa we senia ne body senia wo ye very younger ne hu gina ne hu so no obeka say eba ne sen e na atrese wutie de kwa na danfo bi a ye friend Lily we ye a very close friend wono e na wo de asem we ababonten wo mo social media na em say dodo na e follow ababaawa we e san say ne hu twa nti no akwese mo isha budon level ni bi na de na danfo Lily e de abeto yanim and say nai woni abrantie bi ko date na trese abrantie bi afrene say wo mo embra na trese wo mo nko date what you say ebia na abrantie no bi nim say business opportunity na woni no koka na abrantie ne niji wo ba we ho but de yenim ne say abrantie no ene no ko date na wo mo ko date no na abrantie no wodi eduro ekogu na ne nsam etiefo na wodi eduro ni gu ne nsam obi nim say eduro na wodi gum no wodi gum say sebe obema na no sebe won say boys e wo nduro bi wo ho a wo mo di gu nsam mamba na so mo nim ayese wo mo da wo mo hu hwe bi na boys ne afa wo mo ebi nso wo ho a ye di eduro ni gum a it makes your sexual edge goes up to say Spanish flowers and nduro ni bi dear say den so nduro bi e wo ho inti no obi nim eduro a wodi gum ema ababaawa we na edura abrante we eyusu ye no anko ye because ababaawa we enya complications na de nkofo enim ne se eduro bia ene nipa daseni a wofa eduro bi wo ho a wo bi fa enye ne hwe ba wo bi fa nipa kro no ebenya complications because nipa kon ne system ene eduro no enfa to me say eduro we ya abrante we wodi gu nsane mu ema na no when fen gum se wo kun now wodi gum se sebi ebia obenya na no na wone na yeden akoda because me gide se wone na aka na mpese wo beja ne ho ama no nti opese wo drag no na wone no ekoda wo pese wo sedate no na wode edro ne gun san bo emu na yi wonya complications etie for arm ne wo kasa wo suffer a cardiac arrest ye kasa cardiac arrest at say heart attack nti edro no ema na yi enya heart attack a wo hwe de esi ye na etie for because of a drone or any heart attack no want to me enfa no anko hospital in term and the many worker say na we free because there was a delay in getting adequate medical care for her etie for ayare hosem because obi a wonim these kind things and Rebecca so obi a wonim san same way mu no Rebecca say umma obi edro sa no na edro no e ma ne bako nya heart attack. It prevents the brain from getting oxygen. It starves the brain from getting oxygen. As long as it is actually starving the brain, or as long as it is starving the brain from getting oxygen, no, not just any pakuno, no. That's what I say. Na ni pakuno se wengu krana na dwen etumi damage, otumi nya brain damage. Na no just any pakuno se be senya na munim ne se na ho kekatia no wontumi enye sabium. Se be go betumi abeda na disabled, and obetumi abodam kra. Na as a result no ni brain activity ni stop here amene wo kasa na wo free mu yaya iti na danfo no na ode assembly ebeto yenim etie for na no ne pictures na eda wo screen so ababa wa to mu se ne hu twaye enkrofo share wo mo thought this particular matter so me person me read some of the comments na ye share the koso obi say Ghanaian ladies of today was say these our women of today. They have become aimless in life. All that they are interested in is showing their fake hair, asses, and ugly makeup social media, and keep on selling yourselves and living that useless life. It's here for say will be ekowu and sebe BBC na inkrofo pass comments be say ya na meni engine ho. In the first place, she trusted the person and the pakone ka say won no echo date and I won ni pakone echo ye ye ni ayetena se na yesusu adwe eye assemble hu a e wo se okay to us say sebe nanka boba no wo ye na adwen se wode ne ho ebema bema ne cheap nanka bema no there was no need say wode eduro ebeku oba ne nsamo it is a bema ne tumie yisu eduro egu oba ne nsamo na kire se ebia bema ne ye na adwen se wo befa oba no na oba ne ka se won pene and into the bema no akwa high lawyer which is eduro no into wo ma wo mudi oba na atem no sebe muntu mobo because anya se woba no e de ne ho koma bema no na bema no e drag no woba ne de ne ho koma bema ne sa na ka sebe there will be no need for bema no se wo be drag no because wo tie me wo ye bema na wo ne oba eka ne oba ne tie ase se wo ne wo be da na nti ase se woba ne beba ofie na wo sanso die dro egu ne nsamu because what tie ase se wo ne wo be da inti bibi say no I think is similar inti ya trese se bema ne de nsa na egu or de edro egu nsa ni mu ama oba na trese oba na wan pene so se wo ne bema ne beda nti wa wudi na tem say they are aimless and they are just sleeping with men no I just don't understand you because we weren't there but the story are eba no trese oba na kra na e bia wanya na adwen se wo ne bema ne beda what you say unless you want to tell me say it is wrong to go to a date with someone Ghana has a date will be new obi ko date aye hu say oh they have something sexual to do what you say because Ghana there adam for him to me father for him ko date ngofo enhu ne sa but abroche it is something that's there will be ni mobi card they just go on a date just to know their themselves what you say it no mo amudi ababa wa we atem no mesre mo mamundi na tem obi de share na we free sa no obi de share free mo it's not the time for you to come and show say oh you there you are holier than thou wo there you are sinning na wo na wotene and na wo be cassette ya ne pakona da be things like that. They are very wrong. So will be why that's not the time for you to come and be posting things like this. Into sure as nipa we eka a wo di wo ba no atema. E ya de atie for me kramen so enye na nipa we wo di oba na atem no obi kra e reply nipa we eka say shut the fuck up. Na to say yekom wo ho. Ah, wo bi ewu a afiansa wo be didi nipa ko na atem. Sa na ye ya de. Wo bi so say wasted life because of a date. Or say just look at this. What a waste of life, all because of a date. Has the man been arrested? Did this happen in Ghana or USA? And then asema will be so ebisa. Eya rehosem etie for eya rehosema esi. Na wo hwe sene ansem no ekwa ase asemwe ensi ewo Ghana. But esan se nipa ko no wo ye Ghana ni nti no. Inter na ye report it. But this actually didn't happen in Ghana. Eya rehosem obi say turn to Allah and stop the worldly life to save yourselves. If she was well mannered as a pastor's daughter, why would she engage herself with nightclubs and resort to drinks with men to have sex? So, story I can yanka say ababa wa we obi a woko club. Yanka say ababa wa we obi a sebe wonem bema ekoda, but the nkrofo eka. So, bon the nkrofo kan. E die nkra na trese Ghana yeti say ya and the aba ana ordinary pictures to social media and you hu say oh you obi a wasay oyobi a wasay oyobi a wasay oyobi a wasay enya saneti intimesre me de bia meka obi wo a impenyifo ka asem bi say obi wo a enya sa time na wo de obetre say unim ne bakone ne boni ni na da bi obi wo it's not the time for you to come and be judging the person. The person is dead. The person will face his or her own judgment. Internet fans are like say hey and the way and the one the why and the way one the why and the way aden na ya yetesa. At least let's try to sympathize with the family. So we ban the empena semkra sebe nebusuanfo it's for ya rehosem eba Ghana ni bia wo oye American based wo hwe edin aye different e wo social media ahonfe dia ene ye different ahonfe dia we free me ya montre mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for medase.